So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a checklist on Visme. So once you're into Visme, you first have to add some text into your design. So to do that, go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to this top left area where it says this T icon or where it says text, press on text. Now, if I want to create a checklist, how about just a grocery checklist, for example? So it'll be buy milk, buy cereal, buy soup, whatever the case may be. Do what you have to do. I'll just make this a little bit larger so that it's actually easier for you guys to see. So if you want to turn this into a checklist format, it's pretty straightforward. I want you to double tap this box. I want you to highlight the entire thing you wish to turn into a checklist. Go to this top bar right here. This option right here where there's two check marks, it says checkbox right here. I want you to press on that. Then it's, as you can tell right here, now makes it a to-do list. So you can change the appearance, you can change the strike through, whatever the case is. You can change the appearance to a green check mark as well, whatever it is. So for example, just like this, it's now a checklist. So if you were to check this off right here, I bought milk, there you go. It now checks it. If you wanted to buy cereal, you check that off. There you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty cool feature. But that's how you guys can create a checklist on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.